What's up everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this adjustable grill drip tray that I got to be able to replace my old one in my grill. So here's the drip tray that slides into the bottom of this, and then it's adjustable. You can see these screws and stuff. So we'll go ahead and put it in the grill and show you it installed once it's show you it in the grill once I have it installed. Okay, so I got this adjusted and tightened based on the size of my grill. So basically this slides right here on both sides of it, and then you just tighten these screws like I said. You want to try to tighten these also, but pretty simple. I didn't want to get anything too expensive because I probably won't have my grill for long, but just wanted to get something simple like this and put it in my grill. Alright, I got it installed in my grill, as you can see there. So adjusted it based on the size. It's in there pretty good, and then we'll put the drip pan right there. Alright, got the drip pan in here. As you can see, one nice thing is it does come with this handle here to help slide it in and out. As you can see right there, these ledges right here just sit inside there like that.